The Adventures of Felix and his CatBot. One sunny day in the futuristic city, Felix studied a holographic map at his desk, while CatBot lounged nearby, eager for adventure.
Something strange is happening in the park. Let's investigate, CatBot.
They arrived at the park, where a group of children looked worried, chatting about a missing kite.
Our kite flew away and we can't find it anywhere.
Felix pulled out his magnifying glass, examining the area carefully, while CatBot used its sensors to scan for clues.
Let's look for any signs of where the kite might have gone.
Suddenly, they spotted a trail of colorful feathers leading out of the park. This could be a clue.
Meow! Let's follow the feathers.
They followed the feathers into a narrow alley filled with intriguing gadgets and robotic parts, making them curious.
Wow, look at all this cool tech.
In the alley, they encountered a friendly inventor tinkering with his latest project, holding the missing kite in his hands.
Ah, you found my kite. I borrowed it for a test flight.
The inventor explained that he hadn't meant to take it without asking, and he felt sorry for the mix-up.
It's okay. Just remember to ask next time.
Excited about the new friendship, Felix suggested they work together to create an even better kite.
Let's make it fly higher and faster.
In the inventor's workshop, they all teamed up to create a super kite, filled with creative ideas and fun designs.
Let's add some lights to make it glow in the sky.
Back at the park, a crowd of eager children gathered for the big test flight of their new kite.
Wow! It looks amazing!
The kite soared high, glowing with colors, and everyone cheered as they watched it dance in the wind.
We did it! Look how high it goes.
As the sun set, they celebrated their friendship, sharing stories and laughter, knowing they'd made something special together.
Meow! Let's make more kites!
On their way home, Felix and CatBot chatted about their next adventure, ready for whatever mysteries awaited them.
Who knows what we'll discover tomorrow?